madone fork. The section for the brake has actually come out and was actually crushed. Here's the leftovers of that. Cut a new piece of aluminium which will slide all the way to the end. Of course, that's actually too wide, as it will allow It will allow the brake nut to go all the way through. So I have a piece of stainless steel in 8mm in the diameter, which I'm going to bond to this to create the stopping point for the nut inside of here. And then I'll bond the whole thing into here. So I'm going to heat this up. I'm freezing the stainless steel, and then I should be able to slide them together, because right now there's too much of an interference fit. And then when the temperature normalizes, they should be locked together. So, heated this piece up and frozen this piece. I'm going to try and fit one inside the other. And no luck yet. Maybe this needs a bit more time to expand. Start recording.
Yeah.
So, take two. I'm going to try and fit this in, and it really doesn't want to go in. I might need to deburr the edges on the aluminium. So in the end I did have to sand down quite a bit to make them fit, but here you can see it's well bonded together. No, it's not pretty, but that's the brake sleeve, and you can see the inner stainless steel lip of the inner sleeve. And yeah, there's a bit of debris where I was cleaning up some edges. Yeah, the part has had 12 hours for the epoxy to cure, and I had it with the brake in place. So the only thing left to do is finish tidying up these forks, and they're good to go.